Everyone, welcome back to our Gemini Adoption Series, Module 3. Today, we are going to be talking about the power of Gemini App and Gems. So before we start the session, let me just quickly introduce myself again. I'm Claire from G-AsiaPacific, and by the end of this session, you will see how Gemini Advanced and Gems can work hand in hand, one as your versatile AI partner and the other one as your specialized experts. So today we are going to structure it into 3 parts again. So we are going to be talking about what Gemini Advanced is, why it is crucial for complex tasks, and how to research, analyze, and create at scale with Gemini Advanced and GEMS. Think of Gemini Advanced as your all-in-one assistant and GEMS as your team for custom experts. So without further ado, let's talk about the why. So complex tasks require a more capable AI. So what is the meaning of that? So that means that companies will need AI that is powerful, reliable, and scalable. Basic AI can draft text or images, but for complex reasoning, large data analysis, or strategic decision making, you need something stronger, which is Gemini Advanced. The excitement is high, and so are expectations. Leaders recognize the transformative potential of AI and the need to integrate it into daily operations to stay ahead of the curve. In fact, 31% of leaders expect substantial transformation from AI in less than 1 year. So, as the business landscape rapidly evolves, AI is playing a pivotal role in shaping its future. So, the most complex tasks require the most capable AI, as mentioned. So, you will be needing them to solve advanced reasoning problems, drawing insights from vast data, and creating customized content. With generative AI, your company can unlock unlimited potentials with Gemini Advanced and GEMS, which can be you and your employees' most capable AI assistant working together. Now we are going to talk about the what. What is Gemini Advanced? So Gemini Advanced helps you conquer the most demanding task. So Gemini is a multimodal AI chatbot designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows. It can act as a versatile tool for either quick tasks or more complex work, allowing people to explore ideas, gain insights, and refine their work effectively. It leverages complex reasoning to understand intricate queries and generate nuanced responses. Its context window allows it to retain and reference information throughout a conversation, ensuring coherent and relevant interactions. Gemini has a range of features designed to enhance user experience and productivity. Gemini is evolving fast, and here's why it's a game changer for organizations. With expanded language support and improved latency for a smoother global experience. Coding and analytics are stronger than ever, making Gemini invaluable for developers and data teams. With advanced reasoning and a massive 1 million context window, it can handle complex problems and deliver richer, more relevant insights while reduce hallucinations and punt rates ensure accuracy and reliability. You can even double check output instantly with Google search, building trust and transparency. File uploads with implicit Python analysis lets you extract insights from docs, sheets, PDFs, and more, even without coding skills. And with GEMS, you can create custom AI experts tailored to specific roles from marketing to finance. In short, faster, smarter, more accurate, and customizable. Gemini boosts productivity, strengthens decisions, and helps your business thrive in the AI-powered era of work. So let's explore how Gemini can help you gain deeper insights from your files. With the file upload feature, you can upload various file types, including Google Sheets, Google Docs, CSVs, PDFs, Excel, and Word files directly into Gemini. Once uploaded, Gemini will create Python code in the background that can analyze your data and provide you with summaries, identify trends and insights, and even offer recommendations for improvement. Whether you are working on a research paper, analyzing sales data, or reviewing a contract, Gemini can help you understand complex information quickly and easily, saving you time and effort with the support of Python code without you having to write a single line of it. Gemini X Advanced extends into Google Workspace applications like Gmail, Drive, and Docs. With the Google Workspace extensions, Gemini can tap into the wealth of information stored in your Gmail, Google Docs, and Google Drive, providing you with even more relevant and insightful responses. Imagine being able to ask Gemini to summarize your recent emails, find a specific document in your Drive, or even pull data from a spreadsheet, all without having to switch between applications. This deeper integration not only saves you time, but also helps you leverage the full power of your workspace data, leading to more informed decisions and increased productivity. And we are not stopping there. In the near future, Google will be expanding workspace extensions to include even more powerful capabilities, such as time management, adding calendar events, retrieving information from slides, performing analysis in sheets, and many much more. So finally, let's talk about how managing generative AI hallucinations in work settings is becoming increasingly important. If people are going to use generative AI to produce work and create value, then there's little room for outputs that are not valuable and the product of model hallucination. With that in mind, Gemini Advanced allows you to check the validity of outputs you get in a single step. Just click the Google button at the bottom of the output to kick off a Google search that will validate the response. Click on the chip at the end of a paragraph to check the citations coming straight from Google search. Taking these steps will help you very quickly understand what parts of the output are valuable and what parts might need further evaluation by you. Now, let's dive into one of Gemini's most exciting features, Gems. Gems are like custom AI experts that you can create for any topic or task. By defining instructions for Gemini, you can have it help you complete specific goals, tasks, or workflows tailored precisely to your needs. Imagine having Gem that's an expert in drafting executive emails, another that specializes in competitive analysis, and yet another that helps you plan your next business trip. With Gems, the possibilities are endless. You can save time on repetitive tasks, gain deep expertise on any topic, and even automate entire workflows. It's like having a team of AI specialists working alongside you, helping you achieve more than ever before. So here are some of the things that Gem agents can do for you. So you can build your team of experts here, and then you can access Gemini tools and capabilities, and it will help you to save time. So how can you put these gems to work? First off, there are pre-made gems. So think of this as your ready-to-go options, perfect when you need a quick solution. But here's the cool part. You can also customize these pre-made gems to fit your needs even better. Simply open a pre-made gem and edit its instruction on how you see fit. You can also use the Help Me Write icon to enhance your prompt writing and maximize the output from your customer gems. And for those who want full control, you can create your very own gems from the ground up. Write a quick explanation of what you're hoping the gem will do for you, and have the Gemini enhance your instructions if you like. So that's it. Your gem is created and ready to help you with your unique needs. So you can use Gemini Advanced. Using Gemini Advanced will ultimately help your organization create more value in their day-to-day activities, such as boosting productivity, creativity, and ideation, driving higher work quality and decision making, and also learning complex concepts and scaling customized content creation. And finally, Gemini Advanced can help you consolidate costs by consolidating its generative AI investments into one single tool that can effectively do many generative AI activities. The amazing thing about Gemini Advanced is that it wears so many different hats. It can help people with their work across marketing, sales, HR, software development, and more. So let's deep dive into what it can do for each and every team. So now let's talk about the how. How to research, analyze, and create at scale with Gemini Advanced. So for marketing teams, Gemini Advanced can help to tackle many different types of challenges. For marketers, Gemini Advanced helps tackle many different types of challenges. Firstly, it can help research your audience and market. Marketing teams use the tool to quickly help uncover new market trends and understand their audience demographics, interests, buying, and media consumption behavior. Plus, it allows them to easily research competitive offerings, positioning, messaging, and more. Secondly, it can help teams craft and stress test content. Marketers can use Gemini Advanced to create personalized and high quality content fast, or ask Gemini Advanced to help stress test their copy to get the very most out of it. This can lead to faster experimentation and testing, and ultimately an improvement in engagement and performance. Finally, Gemini Advanced is helping marketers generate creative concepts at scale. It boosts creative ideation by generating unique and customized campaign concepts at scale and just in a few moments, including things like taglines and imagery. Marketing teams face the challenges of understanding their audience and creating personalized experiences. Gemini Advanced empowers marketers to conduct in-depth research, generate tailored content, and develop creative concepts at scale, leading to enhanced customer engagement and loyalty. So imagine you are a brand marketer working on a new TV show about race car drivers, but you're not super familiar with the topic of the show and need help with fresh ideas for brand and creative partnerships that can help boost interest in the show. So you can ask Gemini to help you outline a brand partnership strategy related to car racing and watch it come up with potential influencers and brands that align with your show and can help create buzz for it. In a few brief moments, you can go from not knowing much about a topic to having a solid working idea for a campaign. So we can now talk about for the sales team, how it can help sales team. So for sales, Gemini Advanced leaves them more time to focus on the customer and deliver personalized experiences for their accounts. Firstly, it accelerates client discovery. With Gemini Advanced, sales team can boost client understanding and leverage these insights to cultivate meaningful conversations for stronger relationships and impact. It can also help them conduct market research by identifying emerging trends, better understanding new territories, uncovering opportunities, and proactively looking for threats. Sales teams can use these insights to develop enhance sales strategies and offers, and proactively reach out to customers that can benefit from them. Lastly, it helps sellers optimize their strategies. Gemini Advanced can help to evaluate and refine your sales pitch approach and your go-to-market strategy. So it can also anticipate objections and provide ideas for overcoming them to drive sales success and close deals. Similarly, you can get Gemini's help with summarizing public information about a customer you're working with so you can have a better informed and valuable conversations with them, knowing what challenges and opportunities your customer may have and what solutions you can offer to address those. Now, let's see how it can help the HR team. For HR team, Gemini Advanced can help streamline processes, enhance efficiency, and enable them to focus on the most impactful areas. Recruiters can get with suggestions for interview questions so that they can spend more time sourcing and scheduling the right candidates for open roles. Gemini Advanced can help create onboarding content. You can use it to help you develop customized onboarding schedules and materials and generate role-specific welcome packs so that you can have more time preparing to deliver those early onboarding interactions that are so important for new hires. And finally, it can help create training and development materials. Think of it as a tailored training and skill assessment programs that cater to the unique requirements of different departments, seniority levels, and locations within your organization. Similarly, HR professionals that focus on training and development can use Gemini's help with structuring new training programs, modules, and quizzes, or stress testing and adjusting existing ones. And it's fairly easy to do so. Simply describe the type of training you are looking to create or evaluate with the necessary parameters and information. So now let's talk about the finance teams. Gemini Advanced can help finance teams by boosting their ability to deliver high quality work faster, supporting the organization's financial success. Gemini Advanced can help finance teams understand concepts and analyze data. It can also help build and update financial models. Plus, it can access the work and suggest improvements along the way. So right now, imagine you are a financial analyst looking at stores in a specific geography and you want better understanding of what stores behave similarly in terms of monthly sales and average ticket size. That would normally take you hours over a spreadsheet, but with Gemini Advanced, you can ask for an app script to automate the creation of stores cluster that can help you understand how different groups of stores are doing so you can devise the appropriate sales strategies for each group. Now, let's see how it can help the software development teams. For software development teams, Gemini Advanced can also be extremely beneficial. Ultimately, it helps bring your ideas to life faster by boosting development speed and accuracy. It can help you write code in a range of languages. Simply describe what you're looking to do and what language you would like to use. It can review your code, whether big or small, in a few brief moments to identify potential bugs and performance issues. Then it can suggest improvements to help address the issues it points out. Software development teams can also use Gemini Advanced to pull their code to the test, having it create mock data to be used in testing. And just like with Python, Gemini can help with other languages. Let's say you're looking to build something in JavaScript or C or HTML, CSS. Gemini's got you and can help you write, review, or debug your code. So we have finally come to the last part of this module, which is another quiz for you. So you can stand a chance to win Grab vouchers by the end of the Gemini adoption series. Each winner of each module will be announced at the end of the entire Gemini adoption series, which is on the 6th module. So we have 2 more to go, and the final winner will get the Grab voucher. So once you have scanned the QR code, kindly fill the quizzes and submit it. I will leave the screen on for some time for you to scan and do the quiz. I hope you guys have got enough time to scan the QR and do the quiz. So with that, thank you for participating in the quiz and the session today. So with that, we look forward to seeing you on the next module, which we will be talking about Notebook LM. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.